Hello friends, welcome to YOLO channel. In today's section, we can understand general topic as electrical shock. Electricity is important to our daily life, but sometimes it causes severe injury to human beings. We should carefully handle electrical and electronic appliances. An electrical shock occurs when a person comes into contact with an electrical energy source. Electrical energy flows through a portion of the body causing a shock. Injuries and death causing as a result of passage of current through the body. Electrical shock occur when an electrical current flows through the body. The human body is made up of 60% to 70% of water. This makes it a good conductor of electricity. Burns, damage to internal organs, heart rhythm problems, and death can result from electrical shock. Electrical accident statistics in India. In India, almost 12 people die due to electrocution every day. 42% of total fires occur due to electrical sources. 8% of deaths that occur in Indian factories are due to electricity. How can we get electric shock? By poorly insulated wires or ungrounded electrical equipments. By using electrical equipments while contact with water. By being struck by lightning. Lightning is a natural source of electricity which travels through a tall fissure in the landscape in order to reach the ground. If struck by lightning, the casualty may suffer shock, burns, or even death. The effect of electrical shock can depend on three main factors: how much current is flowing through the body, the path of current through the body, how long the body is in the circuit. Signs and symptoms of electrical shock: burns on the skin surface where the energy has entered and excited to the body. Burns means exposure to electricity can cause burns to the skin and in severe case internal organs. Unconfused conditions: problem with sight, paralysis problem, restless whether conscious or unconscious, weak, irregular or absence of pulse, damage to internal muscles, irregular heartbeat, and finally death occur. These are the problem occur due to electrical shock. First aid tips for electrical shock. The person have been injured by electrical shock. Electrical shock always need emergency medical attention. Even if the person seems to be fine afterward, you best bet me to be called 911. The first step is to separate the person from the source of electricity as quickly as possible. The best way of doing this is to be turn off the supply. For example, by unplugging the appliances or by turning the mains off at the fuse box. First one, insulation. Proper insulation we provide. All electrical cords should have sufficient insulation to prevent direct contact with wires. Grounding. Use of proper ground for all electrical appliances. It provides internal electrical shock. Guarding. Live parts of electrical equipment operating at 50 volt or more must be guarded against accidental contact. Electrical protective devices. Fuse and circuit breaker prevent overheating of wires and components that might otherwise create hazards. They disconnect circuit when it becomes overload. Disconnect the source the period of service or maintenance. At the time of maintenance, wear non-conductive gloves and insulated sole shoes. It is safe to work with only one hand. Keep other hand away from all conductive materials. Electrical shock prevention for children. Inspect of power cords or extension cords do not allow children to play with any electrical cords. Protect yourself from electrical. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and give comment and share. Please subscribe my videos. Thank you.